Let's take a look at our web-based admin portal, Creator Studio, to see how easy it is to manage users.
So I'm going to go ahead and click the user's icon, and this will bring up the user management page. So I'm going to start off with just adding a user to the DaVinci platform. On the top right, you should see a button that says New. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and add a user. You do need to have a valid email address. And this is where you also set the initial password for the users. There's three different roles for the user, so I'm just going to set this person as an agent. As you can see, the user now appears in the user management page, and to configure this user further, all you have to do is simply click on the user, and on the right side, the configuration for the user pops up. Again, it shows the email, the user's name, the role. Just to go over the roles real quick, there's three roles: admin, agent, and no access. Admins can log in to Creator Studio and configure profiles and users. Agents do not have access to Creator Studio and can only log into the DaVinci softphone. We have a no access option as well. Instead of completely removing a user from the DaVinci platform, we put this in for security reasons, such as mandatory vacations. So you can just set a user to no access to quickly configure that. You also need to license your agents, depending on the number of licenses you have available. So this user I just created does not have a license assigned. Luckily, I have some license available, so you just click yes. This is where you assign profiles. By default, we set them up with demo, but you can add some more profiles to the user by clicking the checkbox next to it and then clicking save. So this user now has 2 profiles assigned to it. When logging into DaVinci, if an agent has more than 1 profile assigned, they will see an option to pick which profile they want to log into. If they only have 1 profile assigned, then the user will automatically load that profile. We also support importing and exporting CSV files. This is to better integrate with your contact center. I know a lot of contact center have a large list of users in their CRM. They simply can just export that list of users and import them right in here into DaVinci. You can see the import-export buttons on the top. Click on the import button, just browse for your CSV file and import it right in.